Hello and welcome to Simply Sport with me Neeraj Prabhu. The first ever Goa Triathlon was held on Sunday starting from the Bambore beach. The Olympic length event involved 1.5 km swim, 40 km cycling and 10 km running. For the starters, let me explain what triathlon means. A triathlon is a multiple stage competition involving swimming, cycling and running in immediate succession. Triathletes compete for the fastest overall course completion time. The triathletes have to make transition from swimming to cycling and then running one after the other. The first Goa Triathlon, which was open to athletes from all over India and even the foreigners, was conducted in the individual and team category. Prudent captured the action-packed historic event, and here are the highlights of the same.
There is a boat with a mast. Can you see this yellow boat out here? Can you see the yellow boat out here? There is an identical boat out there, but it's blue in color. That is the boat that you have got to swim around. It's got a big pole on it.
Okay, got it.
No, triathlon is not.
Okay, one more.
We have with us the winner of the individual event of the first ever Goa Triathlon. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
How was your experience of the triathlon?
It was a great experience. It's always difficult to organize such an event for the first time, and I think the organizers did a really great job. And the venue here, of course, is absolutely fantastic. And I've been waiting for this to happen in Goa for a long time, and now I hope this is something that will be an example for the rest of India as well, so that in the future we'll see more races like this popping up at different locations in India.
I've been given to understand that you are a regular triathlon athlete and you go all over the world. So could you just tell us how easy or difficult this triathlon was for you?
Yeah, I'm indeed very passionate as an athlete, and I always try to combine triathlon with my job and my work traveling. Compared to other races of the same distance, I think this is a tough one. It's tough on one side because of the high temperatures that we are having now. In the end of the race, especially on the run, you really heat up. And it's quite a hilly course as well. It's tough to get off the bike and then run up that steep hill immediately. I think that's tough for everybody. And it's technically also somewhat tough on the bike because you still are riding in traffic, and you have to be careful in the roundabouts and with respect to cars and so on. But all in all, it's a great adventure and a great experience. And thank you once again for the organizer for putting up such a great event. And I really recommend everybody to participate next year.
Great. Since this is the first ever triathlon here, could you just give some feedback, some suggestion for improvement for next season?
Yeah, I mean, there are always small things, that can be improved. I think all in all, as I said before, the organizers really did a great job. Probably, you could have a little bit more signs, for instance, on the run or on the bike for those who are not really sure about the route. And obviously, the organizers did a great job and put a great effort in keeping the traffic away. And I think that's from a security point of view, that's the most important thing. And also in the coming years, that is where the focus should be on the security of the athletes. And I think for being the first race organized here, it was a really great job that everybody did. So thank you once again for that.
Thank you. All right, we have the third place, Richard McDowell, and we have a team, 307, Sharman team.
टीम इव्हेंटान गोंयची एक टीम थर्ड आयली. पयले दोन्ही पोझिशन गोंया भायल्या टिमींनी घेतल्या. रौनक, श्याम आणि मनोज हे तीग जाण ह्या टिमीन आसा. रौनक तुवें स्विमींग केलें. So how was your experience?
Really good. So sea swimming, you need to look at the tide once you're swimming and need to keep a good rhythm, and that's all.
हांव म्हाज्या
परफॉर्मन्साचेर सॅटिस्फाय आसा लेकीन रूट बीन ओके आसलो मातसो कला अकादमी टू दोना पावलो मातसो ट्रॅफिका खातीर मातशें प्रॉब्लेम जाली मागीर ब्लॉक मेळ्ळे मातशी स्लो जाली ओके ओवरऑल ओके
नाजाल्यार फर्स्ट येवपा
ना हय सांगूंक शकना म्हणजे आनी एक 25चो म्हाजो 25 इयर्साचो एक्सपिरियन्स म्हाजो 15 इयर्स एट द एज ऑफ 12 हांवें सायकलींग स्टार्ट केल्ली आतां म्हाका ऑलमोस्ट 42 इयर्स त्या हेचेरूच एक्सपिरियन्साचेर आनी थोडी प्रॅक्टीस डेली सायकलीन घरा कडसून कामाक मुश्टीपण हायर सेकंडरीन कामाक येवप वचप असो म्हणून ते एक डेली म्हाजी प्रॅक्टीस आसली आनी एक रोवींग करतालो इतकेच हेज्या खातीर मातशी बरी
So all the best for next season.
Our very own team from Goa, Ronak Pai, Shyam Tangurkar and Manoj Naik. Can we have you up here, please? Yes, with those big, broad smiles of yours. Pai is no stranger to us here. He's won the swim-a-thon a couple of times as well. Well known, great swimmer, great team spirit, and of course they did this one for Goa. Fantastic effort, guys. Certificates, please, so that everybody can get those pictures. Yeah, okay.